How to fix Monday.com app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store. Now search for the app Monday.com. After app appears, at the right corner of the app you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now heading towards Solution 2, you have to clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Now scroll down. Open this option General. Now head towards the option of iPhone storage. Now in this page, you will be able to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head towards the app Monday.com. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter this issue, you can apply solution 3. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, close this. Long press on your Monday app. Click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. You have just deleted this app from your device. Now launch your App Store, search for the app Monday. Once app appears, install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Monday.com app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.